Good morning, children. Hope you are well. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter in English, that is word pattern. WORD word PATTER pattern. So children, in this chapter what we have to do? We have to do write two more words, okay, with the same word pattern or ending. That means here we have to we can see that there are some pictures along with their names, okay, but below there are two more words but they are incomplete, okay. So you have to complete the word with the same word pattern, okay. How we will do? See children, it is very easy. See, in the first picture, R-O-B, rob. This is the image of robbing. R-O-B, rob means stealing somebody's things without their permission, or stealing somebody's things or anything, okay, things, money, object, anything. So this is called rob. So बोलते हैं चोरी करना, डकैती करना, okay children. So here what we have to do, as you can see, the last two letters, okay children, the last two letters are O-B, okay, O-B. So here what we have to do, we have to fill in the blanks with this last two letters R-O-B. Here M, then two blanks are there. Here we'll write O-B. Nothing to do children, very easy. O-B. So rob, mob, okay, same word pattern and same sound you can hear. Rob, mob, same word pattern. O-B, O-B, same sound. Ob, okay. Now S-O-B. Here also we'll write O-B, as the last two letters are OB, okay. So we will write the same word, same letters. So rob, mob, sob. Now it's become the words with the same word pattern or same ending. Like that we will do the second one, H-O-T, hot. So the last two letters are O-T. So here after D there are two blanks. So here we will write O-T. D-O-T dot, hot dot, then here P-O-T, last two letters are O-T, O-T. So here hot dot pot. So these are become the word with the same word pattern or ending, okay, by following this simple step. The next, R-O-W, row. Row means queue or ek pankti. Understood children? That means standing in a or walking in a proper straight line, okay. So here CR, two blanks are there, so we'll fill with last two letters of the first word, that is OW. So CROW, crow means kawa. Then BOW, bow, as I already told what is the meaning of bow. It is a kind of accessory for the dresses, okay. So row, crow, bro, row, crow, bow, having the similar word pattern and same sound with and the same rhyming sound with the same ending. So here D-O-G, dog. So here last two letters are O-G. So here also we will fill after F-O-G, fog. Fog means hota hai kuhasa, okay. Then J-O-G, jog, that means jogging, okay. So dog, fog, jog. Then the next one, C-L-O-C-K. So children, here as you can see in the below, in the next two blanks there are three blanks. Instead of two there are three blanks. So we will copy the last three letters of the first word, that is O-C-K. So here R-O-C-K, rock. Then here B-L. Here also we'll copy O-C-K. So now the word pattern become the same ending. Clock, rock, block. Clock means ghadi, rock means chattan, or block means khand or section, okay. Now next, J-O-Y, okay. So the last two letters are O-Y. Here we will fill the same letter, O-Y, B-O-Y, boy. Then T-O-Y, toy means khilona. So joy, boy, toy. Words having similar sound, okay, and two words become with the same sound and same ending, O-Y, O-Y, or same word pattern. So like this you have to do this classwork. See children, I have explained you this 6, okay. So this become your classwork, CW, and date is 21st of August 2021. Okay children, and these 3 you have to do by yourself. This will be your homework. I hope you are able to do this one. So thank you children, and have a very nice day.